Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics and next exercise of 7.3. First topic, derivative of implicit function. If an equation consists of two variables x and y can be represented as a function of x or x as a function of a y. Okay, y can be represented as a function of x or x as a function of a y. Okay, then this function is called an explicit function when y can be represented as a function of x or x as a function of a y, then this function is called an explicit function. When y cannot be expressed as a function of x, then this function is called an implicit function. Okay, explicit function and implicit function. Again, if an equation consists of two variables x and y, okay, two variables x and y can be represented as a function of x or x as a function of y, then this function is called an explicit function. When y cannot be expressed as a function of x, then this function is called an implicit function. Okay, two function, explicit function and implicit function. Okay. For example, from equation x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, y can be expressed as function of x. Okay, from function x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, y can be expressed as function of x. It means y is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 4. Okay, similarly x can be represented as x is equal to 2y plus 4. Okay, y is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 4 and x is equal to 2y plus 4. X can be represented as y and y can be represented x. Such functions are now as explicit function. Such functions are now as explicit function. Y is equal to and x is equal to implicit function. Okay. From equation x cube plus y cube plus 3axy is equal to c, neither y nor x can be represented in term of x or y respectively. Such functions are known as implicit function. Okay, neither y nor x can be represented in terms of x or y. Okay, such functions are known as implicit function. Okay, two function, explicit function, implicit function. Okay, any doubt? Next topic, logarithmic differentiation. Okay, to simplify the differentiation of function of type, types fx power gx, fx variable, gx variable power of variable power of a variable. Okay, we first take logarithm and then differentiate. Such a process is called logarithmic differentiation. Okay, very easy. To simplify the differentiation of function of types fx power gx, fx and gx are variable. We first take logarithms and then differentiate. Such a process is called logarithmic differentiation. For example, y is equal to u to power v, where u and v are function of x. Where u and v are function of x. Okay. Taking logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. It means log y is equal to log u to power v. Apply the formula log m to power n. It means n log m. V into log u. Log y is equal to v into log y. Okay. Let's start the question. Question number first. Exercise 7.3. Find dy by dx of following function. Find dy by dx of following function. Question number first. 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. Okay. Y as a function of x. Okay. Y as a function of x. Differentiate with respect to x. We get differentiate of 2x. It means 2 over dy dx over x plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to dy dx over sin y. Okay. Implies 2 into dy dx over x is equal to 1. Differentiate of x is equal to 1 with respect to x. Okay. Plus 3 into differentiate of y with respect to x dy by dx. Okay. Differentiate of y is equal to dy upon dx, because y as a function of x is equal to first differentiate of sine and second differentiate of y. Two types, sine and y. Okay. Sine cos y, differentiate of sine y is equal to cos y, and differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx. Okay. Find the value of dy by dx. It means 3 into dy by dx minus cos y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2. Okay. dy by dx common. dy by dx into 3 minus cos y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Implies dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus cos y. Minus common, it means 2 by cos y minus 3 dy by dx. That is the answer. Question number first complete. Next question. Question number 2. Root x plus root y is equal to root a. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x, we get differentiate of root x is equal to, because apply the formula dy by dx over root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay. apply the formula x to power n, x variable 1 by 2 constant term. Okay, it means x to power n is equal to nx n minus 1. Implies differentiate of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x plus first differentiate of root and second differentiate of y. It means 1 by 2 root y. Root y is equal to 1 by 2 root y into differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx. Okay. Differentiate of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x into differentiate of x is equal to 1. It means 1 by 2 root x plus differentiate of root y is equal to 1 by 2 root y into differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx. Because y as a function of x is equal to differentiate of root a 1 by 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, differentiate of constant term is equal to 0. 1 by 2 common into 1 by root x plus 1 by root y dy by dx is equal to 0. 1 by 2 0 में into 1 by root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root x. Okay, implies find the value of dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon root x into root y upon 1. Okay, implies dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x of root. That is the answer. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Sin x plus 2 cos square y plus xy is equal to 0. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. We get differentiate of sin x dy dx over sin x, 2 constant, 2 into differentiate of power of 2 and differentiate of cos y and differentiate of y 3 times. Okay, first differentiate power of 2, second differentiate cos y, third differentiate y. Okay, dy dx over cos y power of 2 into dy dx over cos y into dy dx over y. Okay, plus x into y, 2 function. Okay, first into second, x into y, 2 function, x into y. It means first function x into derivative of second function dy by dx plus second function into differentiate of first function dy by dx over x is equal to 0. Again, differentiate of sin x dy by dx of sin x plus 2 constant cos square y. It means first differentiate of power of 2 and second differentiate of cos y and third differentiate of y plus 2 function first into second x same to same into dy by dx plus y same to same into dy by dx over x is equal to 0. Okay, implies dy dx over sin x is equal to cos x plus 2 into cos y, let x to power x square. It means derivative of x square is equal to 2x. 2x x is equal to cos y. Okay, into differentiate of cos y is equal to minus sin y. Minus sin y into differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx. Okay, plus x same to same, differentiate of y dy by dx plus y differentiate of x 1, it means y into 1 is equal to y equal to 0. Okay, cos x same to same minus 2 sin y cos y into 2 dy by dx plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay, implies cos x minus 2 sin y cos y is equal to sin 2y. 2 into sin 2y dy by dx plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Implies common from dy by dx into x minus 2 sin 2y is equal to minus cos x plus y. Okay, cos and y right side, y positive cos positive, it means negative, minus cos x plus y. Find the value of dy by dx, it means dy by dx is equal to minus cos x minus y, plus y upon में x minus 2 sin 2y. Okay, implies dy by dx is equal to minus common, minus cancel out, it means y plus cos x by 2 sin 2y minus x. Okay, that is answer. Next question number B part. Question number 3rd and part B. X root y plus y root x is equal to 1. X root y plus y root x is equal to 1. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, we get differentiate of x into root y, two function first into second, it means first same to same into dy dx over root y plus root y same to same dy dx over x plus again first into second, first function same to same into dy dx over root x plus second function same to same into dy dx over y is equal to dy dx over 1. Again two function multiply, first function same to same, differentiate of second function plus second function same to same, differentiate of first function plus first function same to same, differentiate of first function second function plus second function same to same into differentiate of first function is equal to d by dx over 1. Okay, implies x into differentiate of root y is equal to 1 by 2 root y into differentiate of y dy by dx. First differentiate of root into second differentiate of y. Two types, okay, root and y. So d by dx over root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. It means d by dx over root y is equal to 1 by 2 root y into differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx plus root y same to same into d by dx over x. Differentiate of x is equal to 1. Okay, plus y into differentiate of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x into differentiate of x is equal to 1. Okay, differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx x and differentiate of x is equal to 1. Okay, so y as a function of a x plus root x same to same into differentiate of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to differentiate of constant term is equal to 0, implies dy by dx common, dy by dx into x upon 2 root y plus root x is equal to positive negative right side negative minus root y plus y upon 2 root x. Okay, implies dy by dx is into root x by 1. It means LCM 2 root y over x plus 2 root xy. Okay, is equal to minus root y upon 1 2 root x LCM. It means 2 root xy plus y. Find the value of dy by dx. Implies dy by dx is equal to minus 2 root xy plus y upon 2 root x into 2 root y by x plus 2 root x into y. 2 cancel out. It means dy by dx is equal to minus root y into 2 root xy plus y upon root x into x plus 2 root xy. Okay, that is the answer. Question 3 complete. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.